Welcome dear students. In this video, we are going to learn about the problems faced by Pakistan after independence. As you have learned previously that on 14th August 1947, India was divided into two parts. It was decided that the areas where most of the people were Muslim would become part of Pakistan and the rest of the country became India. After partition, millions of people crossed the borders from one side to the other in the single biggest migration in the history of the world. So, why was partition not a peaceful event? It was a painful event because hundreds of thousands of people lost their lives and properties. So, now let us see what were the problems faced by the newborn country. Refugees problem, lack of resources, no constitution, Kashmir issue, and lack of leadership. Refugees problem. Many of the Muslims who arrived in Pakistan were homeless. They had left everything behind in India and had to start a new life in a new country. They had to be provided with food, clothes, shelter, and jobs, etc. Lack of resources. Pakistan had a weak industrial base, which means that not many factories were built in this part of the country. Pakistan had only two hydel plants, which were able to produce 68.8 megawatts of electricity. This was not enough for our needs. Health, education, and other facilities of life were not available according to the number of people. There were financial problems as there were not enough funds to spend for the welfare of the people. No constitution. The country did not have a constitution. Constitution is a set of rules and regulations of the country which all the people of the country had to follow. This was leading to crimes and disorder in the society. Writing a new constitution was a difficult task which could take a long time. The Constituent Assembly, a group of leaders, had to be chosen to write a constitution. The government system had to be formed, and the cabinet, a group of ministers, had to be appointed to work in different departments, for example, food supply, transport, education, health, etc. Kashmir issue. According to the rule set for partition, the area of Jammu and Kashmir was supposed to be the part of Pakistan as most of the people living there were Muslims. But the British left the decision about Kashmir to India, which brought its army there and took control of Kashmir by force. The two countries went to war over the Kashmir issue in 1948. Later, a ceasefire, which is an order to stop fighting was announced by the United Nations, and it was decided that the dispute would be resolved according to the will of Kashmiri people. This decision was not obeyed by India, and this remains the cause of fight between the two countries even today. Lack of leadership. Another problem that Pakistan faced early in its history was of leadership. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was quite ill at the time of independence, died just a year after Pakistan's creation on 11th September 1948. The Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan was killed in 1951. Many leaders were unable to perform their duties according to the need of the difficult time. Quick changes in the leadership in the early years affected the progress of Pakistan.